Hello, my name is Vikram Kota. I'm the CEO of GRT Hotels. Today we are very excited to hoist the flag for our grand wedding planners event, Wconnect, which is going to happen on April 3rd, 4th and 5th in the Radisson Blu Temple Bay. Lot of people are looking forward to this event after the 2 years of COVID. We did this 4 years back and it was a great success. But today we are all standing here and we feel that we are seeing great things going to happen in the next couple of years, and we are trying to promote Mahabalipuram as a destination.
So, நாங்கள் வந்து இந்த initiative of B2B Wedding Summit April 3, 4, 5 நடக்க போகுது. அதுக்காக இன்றைக்கி வந்து we did a flag hosting. இது மெயினாக எதுக்குன்னா இந்த ஈவெண்ட்டு to bring all the wedding planners across the world எல்லாரையும் ஒன்றா கூட்டிகிட்டு வந்து இங்கே வந்து we gonna do lot of stuff like summit conference நடக்க போகுது. நிறைய பேர் நிறைய விஷயம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க.
And the big event is going to happen on April 3, 4, 5. 500 wedding fraternities, 500 plus wedding fraternities are going to come from all over the globe. And on 5th of April, we are going to do a 101 massive free wedding for the underprivileged people. So kindly support us, and this is going to make a big noise in Chennai and all over the India.
Like, share and subscribe to indianewstamil.com.